The 2017 VW Jetta key fob uses a CR2032 coin cell battery. To open it, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a key fob opening tool, costing around $5 to $10. Gently pry open the fob casing, insert the tool into the seam, and carefully twist to separate the two halves. Be cautious to avoid cracking the plastic, which becomes brittle with age. Work your way around the seam until the fob is open. Once open, note the battery's polarity with the positive side up before removing it. Remove the old CR2032 battery from the key fob. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Ensure the battery is securely in place. Align the two halves of the key fob casing and snap them back together. Press firmly until you hear a click, indicating that the case is sealed. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to ensure it's working. If the fob doesn't respond, try reseating the battery or consider dealer reprogramming, though this is rare. Check the seal to avoid moisture damage and consider adding dielectric grease to the contacts for better battery life. Dispose of the old battery properly.